series, I go on a backpacking trip with two of my friends, Tanya and Purvi, to Kasol, Himachal Pradesh to celebrate Tanya's 25th birthday. In the last episode, you must have seen that I moved from Kolkata to Delhi to meet my friend and then board an overnight bus to go to Kasol.
So at first, when I saw you, didn't think you remember my name.
Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I am in Kasol. Yes, I'm in Himachal Pradesh, Kasol. We have a trip planned for 4 days, actually 5, including the weekend, and I am working, vacation, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along, so stick with me. We started the day by chilling by the river and taking a lot of pictures. We have reached our first stop, which is the Wapa hostel. It's pretty early, that's why we are chilling by the river. We spent the time taking few more pictures, 100 more, not much. And then fueling up with some hot Maggie and coffee with a view at the hostel after figuring out how to work the Wi-Fi and roam around at the hostel. This is my workstation today, and the funniest is that password is Kedalai. It's making fun of me, but yeah. We took our own time to freshen up and chill a little bit. I mean, how many days in your life you get to do a skincare routine opposite white mountains and enjoy the view which was right in front of us, but also checking out this amazing hostel. Cue the montage. The Wapa hostel is right beside the main road, and there's a river behind it. The hostel is of the theme of Game of Thrones. It had rooms which were named after houses, and our house was the Lannister. This is our dorm room, and our house is the Lannisters. And here are the Lannisters. So we have like 3 bunk beds, and this one is mine. These 2 are नीचे वाली जो पूर्वी है, and ऊपर तानिया chill करेगी. And there's a washroom, and this is a balcony, and you can literally hear the river. And there's a nice bathroom. It's basic AF. The hostel had more to offer. There was a reception area, and right opposite it was a common area where there was TT table and chilling area. Then there was a half open area where you can enjoy the view and chill. I just discovered that this hostel has a beautiful terrace. It's like not very well constructed or anything, but the view is gorgeous. By now you all know that, well, I'm on a trip with my friends. This is basically my friend Tanya's birthday celebration trip slash just a break from our monotonous life. I'm still working. I was literally on call till 12:30. Just going to travel around, and I'm so happy that I'm back to the hills again. I feel like I'm home. So on today's agenda, I think we're just gonna go to a cafe in Kasol and just chill there, because the bus ride was really tough yesterday. It was PAL Travels. It was long and it was really tough, and we could not really sleep. All of us are tired. My friends are still sleeping, so I'm gonna wake them up. We're gonna pack up and go to a cafe, chill there. And yeah, tomorrow, thankfully, oh my god, surprisingly, it's my chutti tomorrow, and I'm so happy now. Yeah, so yeah, let's go. Let's wake up. Wake up. Utho, let's seize the day, guys.
Thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Just rain. And what's the point of flying if you only make it half of the way? Halfway. On certain days, it's hard to say. I thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain.
Just gone.
And kiss me now. Make it last until it comes back. On certain days, it's hard to say that you've been sad and I'm the one to blame.
We explored the Kasol market for a little while. अभी हम यहाँ एक डॉग और बुल का झगड़ा देख रहे हैं. हम बहुत डर रहे हैं बिकॉज दे आर वेरी वायलेंट.
On certain days, it's hard to say. I thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain.
We just got few nice cakes to have with our coffee. And now we are off to our hostel. Guys, are you excited for coffee? Yeah. You guys are so dead. We spent the rest of the evening, playing chess and getting Purvi over the whole camera and vlogging scene, and eating and drinking away the evening and passing out because we were too tired. भैया एक कप चाय मिलेगा? Okay, I went upstairs and the whole thing was wet because of yesterday's rain. Now I've come down and I've found myself a cute little spot from where I can partially see everything. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my morning here. Morning, guys.
Morning.
How was your sleep?
Dead.
Tanya, you were snoring. So as promised in the beginning of the video, I'll let you know how much this hostel cost us. It's nothing fancy, but it's good enough for us to stay. So Tanya did all the booking. She's gonna tell you.
Hi. Yeah, so this was, I just found it online. Like I just looked up hostels and Kasol. There were a few like Nomads, this and a few more. But इसके वो accessibility सबसे easy थी. It was right on the road, so
Yeah.
Because otherwise others you have to trek a little bit and all. And it had more washrooms. बाकियों में एक washroom था, तो that was.
Yeah, we have like an attached washroom for 6 people, which is good enough.
Costed about 500 a bed.
Not
And it
pretty
has a really
good.
nice common area. I feel the common area is
Yeah,
good.
the common area is so good. Then even the chat is so
Yeah,
good, and it's
so
chill
that's
vibe.
nice. It's a good vibe. Like if you wanna come chill out,
Meet new people.
yeah, you can easily meet new people. There are a lot of
Yeah.
solo people coming or people in groups.
Yeah, so you can always socialize with people, meet new people, have fun, and make new friends or whatever if you want
We
to.
also made a few friends.
By 11, we packed up and we were ready to check out and head to our next destination, which is not going to be a hostel but a different setup altogether. And you're gonna see it in the next episode. So today, this is our host. Say hi. This is Pawan. He was our host in the hostel, and yeah, you guys can check out the link below for the hostel. So we are done with Whoppers Hostel. We are moving to another room this time, and I'm gonna show that in episode 2. Watch out, and please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and until the next video, bye.